In today's video, I'll show you how to add email validation in Typeform step by step. If you want to make sure users enter correct and properly formatted email addresses in your form, this feature is very important. First, open your Typeform account and go to your workspace. Then open the form where you want to collect email addresses. Once you're inside the form builder, click on the question where you are asking for an email. If you haven't added one yet, add a short answer question and label it email address. Now open the question settings panel on the right side. Look for the validation option. Turn on email validation so Typeform can automatically check whether the user entered a valid email format. When this is enabled, Typeform will automatically detect errors like missing @ symbols or invalid domain formats and will prompt users to correct them before submitting the form. You can also customize the error message so users clearly understand what they need to fix if their email is not valid. After setting it up, test your form in preview mode. Try entering both a correct and incorrect email to confirm that validation is working properly. This is especially useful for lead generation forms, contact forms, and surveys, where accurate email collection is important for follow-ups. Before publishing, make sure your email field is marked as required so users cannot skip it. And that's it. You've successfully added email validation in Typeform and improved the quality of your form responses. And that's how you add email validation in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.